your phone is slow, you need to do this and your phone will start working instantly. So if your phone is lagging, if your phone is freezing or just plainly slow, don't worry, because most slow phones don't need a new device. You don't need to go and buy a new device. You need to try these simple tricks and your phone will work instantly. So let's first talk about why your phone gets slow in the first instance. Okay, one of the reasons why your phone gets slow is because of too many apps that are running in the background that are eating up the RAM. Okay, when you have too many mobile apps running on your phone will definitely slow. Another thing is when your phone storage is full. So when your phone storage is nearly full, your phone will struggle to function. That is definite. And another thing is when you have old cache of junk files. You know, what do I mean by that? Temporary files that pile up over time. It will definitely slow down your phone. And another thing is when you have, outdated software, maybe old version of your app on your system, they can cause your phone to lag or they can cause your phone to slow down when you have junks, too many apps on your phone. If I'm checking some of other people's phone, they have too many outdated, apps. There are a lot of apps that they are not using for years, for months, for weeks. So why keeping all those apps? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly fix it. If your phone is slowing down, we're going to fix it and to start, working as fast as Usain Bolt. So what do we need to do? The first thing is for us to clear the cache and the junk file. Just pay attention to your screen. Here is a mobile phone and watch your screen as we are going to fix this instantly right now. So let's go to our settings. You can type your settings here. As you can see on my screen, settings. So when we get to settings like this, then we'll locate where you have your storage. You scroll down to your storage. This is the storage. You click on it. So here it will give you, the capacity that all your storage have occupied. So it's still loading, possibly. So as you can see, the storage of this phone is 97%, meaning out of 128 gig, the phone has used up to 125 gig. The image has taken up 1.87 gig, the video 5.26 gig, and of course the audio 459 MB, the document 26.89 as you can see on your screen right now, and the apps have taken up 79.65 gig. Imagine that, and others has taken up 10.87 gig of the RAM. So this phone is almost filled up. So what do you need to do right now? As you can see, we've moved from the settings. Let me take you through that again. What you need to do if you want to clear the cache of your phone, cache or whichever way you call it. So just move down to your settings. Okay, you move down to your settings, click on the setting, you scroll down to your storage, scroll down to your storage. Let I have my storage, scroll down to storage, you click on it. As you can see, because this phone is almost full, reason why it's taking time to load. As you can see, 97% storage, it's almost full. So as you can see, clean up. In some phones you see clear the cache, then you click on it to clear the cache. Okay, then you need to be very careful when you get to this part so that you don't mistakenly delete all your important files. Okay, so after that, this is an Android phone. If you are using an iPhone too, go through the same process. Go to your settings, go through the general, and locate your iPhone storage. Then you clear the cache. So the next thing that you're going to do is to restart your phone. And when you start your phone, you definitely find out that your phone will continue to be working normally. So a quick restart will close all the unnecessary or files, okay, to close all the unnecessary files, and your phone will start working again. And another thing you need to do is to keep only the lightweight apps. Keep only the lightweight apps on your phone, because if your phone has too many heavy apps, what do I mean by keeping the lightweight apps? For instance, if you are using a Facebook app, now, you find out that Facebook has the full version and it has Facebook Lite. So if you find out that the normal Facebook is too heavy for you, just go to Google Play and you download Facebook Lite. Okay, let's go to Google Play Store now. If you want to download our Facebook app now, see Facebook, as you can see, we have this normal Facebook app, but instead of installing that, why not go for Facebook Lite? As you can see, if we check the megabyte, the Facebook Lite is 2.9 MB, meaning the app is very, very light compared to the full Facebook app that is 172 MB. Now see the difference. So any app that you want to use on your phone, make sure that it's very light. So in case that particular app doesn't have the light version, then only keep apps that you are using often. Okay, you will replace every app with lighter version, like the Facebook Lite, like I've just mentioned, Messenger Lite, and all that. So another thing is that limit the widgets or the wallpaper. Some people use heavy graphics for their wallpaper. Maybe you just snap a beautiful picture, then you want to keep it as your wallpaper. If it is too heavy, it will slow down your memory. Okay, so just try these simple steps like I've earlier mentioned. Go through your settings, go to your storage, clear your cache, and restart your phone. In no time, you find out your phone will be speeding up as Usain Bolt. And don't forget to delete unused apps. There are a lot of apps that you've not been using for months, for years. So why keeping them on your phone? So if you try these steps right now, okay, you find out your phone will feel faster instantly. So if you love this tip, share with your friends and families so that they make use of these tips and find out that your phone will be speeding up. The phone will not slow anymore. So subscribe to this channel for more important tips how you can fix your phone. My next video will blow your mind.